That busted eyeshadow palette got eyeshadow everywhere. Lately, I haven't really been feeling doing my tutorials. Everything I filmed this week, I feel like really showed that. And when I got home and my BoxyCharm was waiting for me on my doorstep, it felt like a sign. If you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a company that sends makeup subscription boxes and it does full-size products. So I thought I would bring you guys in on the fun of a BoxyCharm unboxing. I haven't even cracked the tape yet, so I have no clue what's in here. Let's get started. So BoxyCharm always sends this cute little card that has a description of all the products and their retail prices. I'm just gonna read in the order of the card. So first up is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. Now this was one I actually picked out for myself. Boxy lets you pick out at least one item in your box within a certain time restraint. Now the next product is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Spray. Set and refresh your makeup with Ciate London's Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. Infused with coconut, this luminous ultrafine mist holds your makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow over the skin. The delicate coconut scent and healthy glow takes you straight back to the beach. Now I have the Ciate coconut setting powder and I do love the smell of it, so I imagine I'm really gonna like this. I haven't applied a setting spray to this look, so we're gonna go ahead and try this out right now. Ooh, I can already smell the coconuts. We'll let that dry. The next product is the Touch Insoles Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts through the day. I just quickly looked up the Touch Insoles Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm, and I don't think this is a product I'm going to use. It's a moisturizer for your face, and I'm pretty set on the moisturizer I have. Hasn't done me wrong yet. So I got the Lavish Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. With this Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner, you can quickly remove powder pigments from makeup brushes without water. Reusable and washable. Oh my god, guys. Oh, that was so hard to open. So it's kind of this, like, I don't know what you call it, like a spongy kind of texture. It smells not great. Plastic. Yeah. This is something I'm not going to use, so I'm definitely going to be reselling this. I saved the best for last, guys. They sent me the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. Get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking, light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. So you can see the colors that they have on the back. You know what? Let's do it. Let's open it up. Usually when I get eyeshadow palettes, if I feel like I'm not going to use them and I'm going to resell them, I try not to open the packages just to keep it as pristine as possible for the next person. But sometimes you just gotta look at it because the picture doesn't always show the pigment properly. It's broken. I hate when that happens. You know what though? That's okay. I can reset that with some rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna try and tilt it so that you guys can see. See, this initially looked more red to me on the outside, but it's totally like a purple fuchsia. Turn it up. That looks like bright red. That looks like the same red as my lipstick. Let's turn it up. Oh no! I just lost all the eyeshadow. After opening this palette up, I can say with certainty that I am going to keep it. Not because the color is broken, but because I actually really like the colors, and I don't think I have repeats of any of these. The other thing that I wanted to mention, and I should have mentioned it before I opened it, kind of really love the packaging. It's very psychedelic. So I was able to fix this just putting the eyeshadow back in the pan and then putting a little rubbing alcohol on it and patting it down. The final results, I will be keeping the setting spray, the vitamin C booster, and the Festival palette. Sorry, the Festival 2.0 palette. But I will be looking to sell the Touch in Soul Glassy Skin Balm and the Quick Color Switch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner. So that has been my BoxyCharm unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you want more unboxing videos, because I get BoxyCharm once a month, guys. But otherwise, give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you'll know as soon as my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy. Clean skin. You can't really see it. I'm just so bummed out about that one being broken. Breaks my heart. And that's how I unbox my Boxy.